പോടാ
അതല്ല
Forgive strength when I am weak. Forgive me how when life seems bleak. I always thank Allah. I say Alhamdulillah. Even you right. You say Alhamdulillah. 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 All praise is to Allah. You must say Alhamdulillah to thank Almighty Allah for every breath that I